College basketball fans, the madness of March is about to begin. Like previous years, all 67 games will be broadcast on CBS or a partner TV station. Also, all CBS games are free to watch online at ncaa.com/March Madness, cbssports.com, and bleacherreport.com. If you'd rather watch on the go, iPhone, Android, and Windows Phone users can download the free NCAA March Madness Live app to watch CBS games for free. To watch games airing on the partner networks, TBS, TNT, or True TV, viewers will have to enter their cable subscriber information to gain access. And one new twist in the broadcast schedule this year is the final 4 games will have 3 different broadcasts, the main one and then separate ones to cater to the 2 contending teams. Go Jayhawks! In San Francisco, I'm Tsuboi, CNET.com for CBS News.